What it do, YouTube? We're finna be reacting to the Hurricane Wisdom on the Radar freestyle. And you already know what do y'all? I don't think I ever posted any reactions. Did I? Ooh. Let's see. Did I ever post any of my Hurricane Wisdom reactions? My Wi-Fi is being buzzed. Now I'm finna bounce them all. Bounce my buzz to the city hall. What am I talking? No, I didn't. Yeah, so this is gonna be my first reaction on the tube to Hurricane Wisdom. Let's go.
The next stop is on the Radar Radio.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Yeah.
No.
Yes, sir, baby. On the Radar Radio freestyles. Yo, Hurricane Wisdom in the building. I'm gonna step out. He gonna step in and body this. All right, let's go.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But you know this shit on top. Keep it simple. You say I barely talk, you barely listen.
Yeah.
You put shit on God, you barely patient. You ain't never see no cross, how you know it's DR. She never find no boss, how she know it's peon. She ain't seen no map, she know it's DR.
What?
Locking it off, think I know Dion. Now you dragging too much, baby, I just need off. Nice scary movies, baby, ain't no ghost out.
What? Post here.
Know about them clothes, but I want no clothes.
Post here.
You keep saying so, I'ma make it so. All-white, look like 80s. New jeans, all-white, look like ABs.
What?
Baby, say please. I be so deep off in the wrong, you tell me don't speak.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to get to you.
Yeah.
Baby, don't leave. G5, can't get no sleep. Shotty 2-5, been thinking about her all week.
Yeah.
Your exes, I said it always. Ain't got no one to call on, baby. Call me. You know I'm up now. That's why she bragged it.
What?
Ain't no Tiffany, baby. I made your. Ain't no Tiffany, baby. I made your
bag different. Nah, he slided. I was waiting for it because I was gonna say it. But I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it right. He's different.
Oh, baby, call me. She know I'm up now. That's why she bragged it. This ain't no Tiffany, baby. I make your. Ain't no Tiffany, baby. I make your bag different. Say, can I pay for your friends? Watch who you playing with.
What?
She in the yams for a week. Now who you staying with? Tell the fuck hotel. They gon' stay with us.
Yeah.
Cause I'm trying to get to you. And I won't stop. Still trying to get to you. Baby, I can't stop.
Nah, he's tough. I gotta get more Hurricane Wisdom in my playlist. But if you, I don't even know what I was about to say right there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed the video.